Hey guys, this is Jim. I'm in for Wall Street Hustler. Website is wallstreethustler.com. Today is Wednesday, March 23rd, 2011, is after the market close. This is a video chart presentation for OTOW, which is O2 Secure Wireless Incorporated, which is traded on the pink sheets. This is the 6-month chart. So let's go ahead and get into it. A couple things I wanted to point out to you guys is certainly the action today. As you can see here, has been very nice. We had a up day. Today it closed at 0.0119, a little over a penny. And volume was nice today as well. We had a nice white candle. I put on the Bollinger Bands on this one too, just so you could see there's definitely a pinching motion here. Typically when you have that in the Bollinger Bands, there's a reversal coming. And as you can see, we're coming off a nice decline over the last several sessions. So that can be a bullish sign. The 200 DMA and the 50 DMA, the price closed way above that. 50 DMA is at 0.00873, but certainly that's nice and comfortably above that. Looks like we may be kind of rounding out a bottom here, and I say that because on the MACD, as you can see here, the histogram, we did have a sell-off here, a downward slope, if you will, on the histogram. It's curved back up. It's now looks like it's starting to curve toward the downside, which is represented in the share price here. And as you can see, it's starting to turn up a bit again, which is actually a good sign. It's bullish too. Yeah, it's a little sold off right now, but typically when you see this kind of motion, you'll expect the histogram to head towards zero again. Also, the lines here looks like they're starting to turn up a little bit, and as you know, when they start to turn up again, we may have a pinching motion, and we may have divergence back up, and that's also a very bullish sign as well. So another thing to look at here, I like the slopes of stochastics here. It's really looking kind of nice, really. We had a nice increase here. Didn't quite manage to reach the power zone, and that's fine. It kind of leveled off a little bit. And it looks like we're actually trying to bounce off the 50 mark too, and that's a very bullish sign as well. You definitely want to see a nice bounce at a 50. It closed today at 50.18, but you want to see it to bounce and start heading toward that beautiful power zone above 80. And speaking of that, the RSI looks really nice here too, right at 50.62 today, and it's been hugging that 50 mark, which it's good. It's not it's not either oversold and it's not overbought either. And the company comes out with some news, or we have some nice buying coming in, you'd expect this to start going up. So this could indicate we have lots of room to move up. As you can see, it's been well above 90, way into the power zone here, and it could certainly do that again. Let's look at some of the resistance and support levels and things like that. Looks like we have some nice support here right at penny, as you would expect, the psychological number. So we have some decent support here, and also let's look at support. Let's look at resistance levels. Right here at 2 cents, you'd expect 2 cents, of course. Another psychological number, which is the top of the last rally. So it looks like we could possibly do another retest of that. So overall, I think it's a very bullish chart, guys. I like the volume too. Looks like last several sessions here, as you can see, it's been nice increasing volume. So definitely it's been picking up here off the bottom, it looks like. So with the RSI having some room here, leg up, and some room here on the slow stochastics, pinching of the Bollinger Bands, looks like we may have a movement upward to try to test that 2 cent resistance mark coming up. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the chart. I do want to remind you that the information contained herein has been compiled from resources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. TheWallStreetHustler.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity. It cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, Wall Street Hustler is neither an investment advisor nor a financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit their disclaimer page on the website, which is located again at www.wallstreethustler.com for further information. Have a good day, guys.